Alright, so today I am unboxing my 2 Comma Club award from ClickFunnels because I've earned over $1 million using ClickFunnels alone with one single funnel. And yeah, pretty crazy to believe. When I started using ClickFunnels and even think about earning the 2 Comma Club award, and I've made well over $1 million now using ClickFunnels alone. And I didn't even realize I reached the 2 Comma Club award. One of my buddies reached out and was like, dude, you didn't even claim your 2 Comma Club award yet? And I was like, oh shit, I forgot about it. I was so focused on the work, And today I just received it and gonna unbox it with you. So it's a really special moment for me. When I started my business, I was broke. I had no money, no connections, no degree. As you guys know, I dropped out of high school, and to have that award, I think will be a daily reminder, because I'll just put it on my wall, that anything is possible if you have the drive, the passion, and the discipline to work for it. So just do it. So this is my first time doing an unboxing, so hopefully it's a good unboxing video. Oh yeah, by the way guys, I'm recording this video at my new place. So I just moved to this new place like 3 days ago. Pretty nice, away from the city. It's in the suburbs. I was born in the suburbs and lived in Montreal for downtown in the city for 2 years, but time for a change, back to my roots. This is where I enjoy living the most, in the suburbs. Anyway, so all right, this is it. Moment of truth. Hopefully you guys can see it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo. Oh, look at this. Oh yeah. Famous 2 Comma Club award. Let's fucking go. Alright, first thing I'm gonna say is it is a little bit scratched on the back of the frame, but it's the back of the frame, so it doesn't matter. Wow. Look at this. Shit, this is clean. Membership into the 2 Comma Club for earning over $1 million with ClickFunnels. Mikael, Berube, Media 2023, looking clean. Yeah, I'm excited. Damn, I'm excited to hang this on the wall. Yep, this will be dope. This will look dope in ads. Cool. Well, that is pretty much it for the unboxing, I guess. My office right now is kind of a mess. This is why you see all the frames hanging there. Yeah, we're still putting everything in place, and this will definitely be over there on this wall. That way I can see it every time I enter the office, and it'll probably be good, also a good backdrop when I record videos or ads. So yeah, this is it. Really excited.